Hey everyone, what's up? It's Rhea and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we'll get right on into the video. So as you can tell, my voice is still like a little raspy, a little messed up, but we're working with it. And I have no makeup on and I'm sitting down. So we're doing a makeup video, which is so weird. I don't know the last time I did a makeup video. I don't know the last time I filmed at my vanity. I usually would film at my desk, which is behind me. We're at my vanity because new apartment, new setup. For today's video, we're going to be reviewing R.E.M. Beauty. It doesn't say anywhere on the package up there, R.E.M. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. We're gonna try out the 4 products I got and see what I think. So I'm just gonna pop on my base makeup because most of the stuff I bought was for eyes and lips, and then I will be back with you guys. Ready? All done. So this is all I put on. I just did my base, my eyebrows, and some eyeshadow because I didn't get the eyeshadow palette. No shade to Ariana, but I just feel like I have all the shades that she offered in her palettes, which is totally fine. I really don't need another eyeshadow palette, so I just put like some brown on to complement the eyeshadow that I did get. Let's get into the box. And everything's wrapped up in this tissue paper. There it all is. I'm so freaking pumped to try this stuff out. I hadn't even opened it. That's how you guys knew I was dedicated. So the first product that I got is the On Your Collar Plumping Gloss. I really like plumping glosses. I really like gloss in general. So I wanted to try hers out because, I should get products that I want to try. And then I got the liquid eyeshadow in the shade Comet, and this is in the shade Waterfalls, the plumping gloss. Then I got that's French. I got the eyeliner marker. It's in Midnight Black. It's called At the Borderline, and she is known for her eyeliner, like her wings. So that's why I had to try hers out. And then I also got the Flourishing Lengthening Mascara. I guess we can start with the liquid eyeshadow. So let's open it up. Oh, look at the packaging. So there is the liquid eyeshadow. The color is stunning. It's so heavy. And I'll put the prices of each thing up in the corner because I don't remember it right now. But it's a product line that's like not drugstore prices, but it's not high-end prices. It's in the middle. So everything was probably $15 to $20-ish, and that's really not bad for a brand at all. And especially coming from a brand made from a celebrity, super affordable. And I really respect her for that, to be honest, because otherwise probably wouldn't have bought it because I am cheap. Let's open this baby up. Are you ready? Oh, I don't want it to go everywhere. There it is. Let me grab a mirror so I can do this, and I'll probably get close to you guys so you can see it go on. That is very pretty. It's a bit different than what I'm used to when it comes to liquid eyeshadows. I don't have a ton of experience, if I'm being honest, but it's very almost hydrating, it feels like, and not as glittery. It's definitely more shimmery. I actually might just pat it down with my finger instead. I feel like I just ruined it by doing that. I don't know if I took all the product off, but I don't like how it looks right now, but it's okay. Let me try again. I don't know if I'm supposed to let it dry down more before I try to manipulate it, and I haven't watched any reviews of this yet because I didn't want to like know about the products before I tried it out. I wanted this to be a true first impression. Okay, I did better on this eye. I think I just tried to manipulate it too quickly on my right eye, so let's try it again. No, just wait for a little bit. I'm just gonna clean this up. I'm not sure how I feel about it, which makes me a little sad. Okay, so I don't know what I did wrong, but for some reason I'm not liking how it turned out. It's not super pigmented once you try to blend it out. It's not super shimmery, which maybe goes with her brand just because I know she has a lot of like light lid looks that aren't super glittery or shimmery. I I don't know. Maybe I just need to play with it more, but so far it's not my favorite. Now I'm going to use the eyeliner marker, which I'm also very excited for. Just a reminder, it's in Midnight Black. The price is up here, and this is what it looks like. It's just a white outside pen, and I haven't used an eyeliner marker in a long time, so we'll see how this goes. What I liked about it is the tip is very pointy, very sharp. I feel like that will make it easy to use, but we shall see. I haven't done a wing in months, I feel like. Actually, I'm remembering. Let's do my non-dominant eye first, because then it's easier to match it with my other eye. Okay, well that was easy. That's the easiest line I've ever made. Every time with eyeliner. That was so easy. Oh my gosh. Hi, Nyx. Okay, so doing the wing was easy. I just have to figure out how to put it all together on this eye, and then we'll try the other one again. That eye's done, and it was very simple. I think I'm gonna like this product a lot. Okay, let's go in with the other eye. Well, my wings don't look the same at all. I will fix that, but it is easy to use. Well, that was pretty easy eyeliner. Do I have a couple mistakes? Yeah, but that's on me, not the eyeliner. I would say that was pretty successful. My wings are sisters, not twins, but that's fine because I could sit here all day trying to fix them, and I might. Next is the mascara. It's in Midnight Black as well. Oh, look at that packaging. Look how cool it is. She went for like a sci-fi space theme, and that looks so cool. I really like it. And it's heavy as well, so it feels like a nice product. I have to stop my cat from tearing shit apart. Yes. No. I'm back from yelling at her. So I got the lengthening mascara because that's generally what I like in a mascara. She also had a volumizing one. It has this bristle brush, and I'm pretty sure those are rubber bristles. And let's go for it. Well, that's one coat, and look how lengthening it is. I mean, my eyeliner's thick, so it's kind of harder to see, but I'll get close. No mascara, lengthening mascara. I think it would be really cool to own both and then use both together. Super easy to do your bottom lashes with this kind of wand. There's the mascara done. Is it my favorite mascara? No. But does it do what it said it was going to? Lengthen? Yes. So can't be mad about that. There's a close-up view. And now we're on to the last product, which is the plumping lip gloss in Waterfalls. Here's the packaging for this. It's like a little bullet. I like the color. It's kind of my skin color, not gonna lie. It's a little small, which I'm not sure if it has any less product than most lip glosses do, but it feels tiny. And oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be like a doe foot applicator, but it's one of these kind of applicators. So this must be squeezable. I love that. I do. So I'm gonna squeeze it out. It smells great. It smells minty. I don't like the color. This video is not turning out how I thought it would. I might try to take it off and put a lipstick underneath. Let's try again. Now I gotta wait to see if it plumps anything. And I still kind of don't like it. Oh, I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that. It doesn't feel that plumping. Maybe because I have the lipstick on, but I didn't like how it looked on my lips without a lipstick on. And I kind of still don't like how it looks. Maybe I'm being picky. I don't know. But that is all the products. So I guess I'll go through and say what I thought about each. I need to play with the liquid eyeshadow more. It's just not doing what I thought it would. I thought it would accentuate my lid more and like make it pop, but it's honestly barely shimmery. But that's my thoughts. Is it worth your money? I don't know if it was worth mine. So take with that what you will. The eyeliner I very much did like. I would like more practice with a marker since I always use like felt tip ones, but I think it was easy. I do like how my wings came out. I feel snatched in the eye area. So I would say this is worth your money. And I expected that from her because she's known for her wings and her eyes, like her cat eye looks. The mascara, I think if you were gonna buy both, it would be even more beneficial just because you got volumizing and lengthening. A trick with lengthening mascara to make it volumizing is to focus on the bottom of your lashes more. But I think I did what I said I would. I like how my eyelashes look. I like having long eyelashes. So it was worth it to me. If you like lengthening mascaras as well, I would say it is worth it. Not my favorite, but it's a good one. And then the last product, this. I'm a little disappointed. I do feel a little more tingling. Are my lips bigger? I can't tell. Maybe I don't like the shade I got. I don't know. The packaging is cute at first, but I think a doe foot applicator would have made it more user-friendly, and then you could concentrate the product where you want it more instead of just like smearing it around with this applicator. I'm not impressed by this, and I would say it's not worth the money, which makes me sad because when I do reviews like this, I want to like everything, but I gotta be honest with you guys too. So it's a no from me. Sadly, it makes me real sad to say that. That is everything that I got from R.E.M. Beauty. This is the final look. I got like a 50-50. It was like I liked some of it and I didn't like others of it, and that's okay because I'm sure there's plenty of people out there who like these products. They just might not work for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and comment down below, did you order from R.E.M. Beauty? Have you been wanting to order from R.E.M. Beauty? Have you been wanting to order from R.E.M. Beauty? And what was your favorite product in this video? I think mine is definitely the eyeliner and then the mascara, because I like both of them a lot. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one, which should be next Sunday. Bye!